Good afternoon, fighters. So today is 19th of July, and 19th of July 1969 is known as Nationalize of 14 बैंक बाय इंदिरा गांधी. सो आज के ही दिन 19 जुलाई 1969 को 14 बैंकों को नेशनलाइज किया गया था इंदिरा गांधी के द्वारा, और उसके लिए बैंकिंग कंपनी ऑर्डिनेंस लाया गया था इंदिरा गांधी जी के द्वारा. और तब फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर थे मोरारजी देसाई, और तब के 80% मनी जो थे लोगों के वो इन 14 बैंकों में थे जो पहले प्राइवेट थे, जिनको नेशनलाइज कर दिया गया था. एंड नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द डे विद द क्वेश्चन. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, लड़की बहन योजना स्टार्टेड बाय विच स्टेट? सो लड़की बहन योजना स्टार्टेड बाय महाराष्ट्र स्टेट एंड द एज बैरियर इज 21 से 60. डाइवोर्स मैरिड वुमेन विल बी गेट 1500 पर मंथ. Question number second, 16th Finance Commission Chairman. Arvind Pangaria is 16th Finance Commission Chairman. And if we look what is the work of Finance Commission, so the work of Finance Commission is to distribute the amount among state in vertical and horizontal format. Likewise example, tax earned by central. So टैक्स से जो भी अमाउंट आता है उस अमाउंट को कितना स्टेट में देना है और कितना सेंट्रल को देना है, और किस किस कैसे कैसे करना है, बाय चेकिंग आउट जोग्राफिकल कंडीशन, पॉपुलेशन, और इन सब को देख के ग्रांट एड प्रोवाइड करना है स्टेट को. और जो भी अभी 16 फिनेंस कमीशन है जिसको 2024 में गठन किया गया है, जिसको रिपोर्ट पेश करना है 2026 में, तो जब भी फिनेंस कमीशन का सेटअप होता है वो 2 साल पहले होता है. लाइकवाइज अभी 2024 में हुआ है तो 2026 में फिनेंस कमीशन अपना रिपोर्ट पेश करेगा गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया को. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, रिसेंटली विच कंट्री हैज़ बीन चूजन टू होस्ट यूएन क्लाइमेट फंड बोर्ड? सो Philippines will held the climate fund board meeting, and the main aim of climate fund board is helping disaster fund to nation and for climate resilience. Question number 4, Makhana Research Center in India. So if we look out, Darbhanga in Bihar, Darbhanga is having research center of makhana, as we know that 70% of Indian makhana is produced in Bihar. So MSP demanded by Bihar government on makhana. So this is a new question, which state demanded MSP on makhana? So Bihar is the state who demanded MSP on makhana, as Bihar contributed 70% of makhana in India. Question number 5, bird gallery started by which state? So the bird gallery for the conservation of bird is started by Uttarakhand. Question number 6, eFast India initiative objective. So the eFast India initiative objective is decarbonize road-based freight transportation. Question number 7, fleet awards function hosted at which place? So the fleet award function hosted at Visakhapatnam, and the best eastern fleet ship award goes to INS Delhi. So the best eastern fleet award get by INS Delhi. Upstar 6C, AP Star 6C satellite developed by which country? So Upstar 6E satellite developed by China. Now question number 9, power within the leadership legacy of Narendra Modi written by which writer? So power within the leadership legacy of Narendra Modi written by R. Balasubramaniam. Question number 10, who is author of historical novel titled The Prison of Bhopal? So the author of historical novel titled The Prisoner of Bhopal is Tim Walker. Question number 11, who is at first position in ICC T20 batting ranking? So Travis Head is at first position, second Suryakumar Yadav, and third Philip Salt. Question number 12, World Junior Squash Tournament won by Saurabh Baba. Which medal clinched by him? So Saurabh Baba won bronze medal in Junior Squash Tournament. And if we see some स्पोर्ट्स न्यूज़, ओलिवर गिरोड इंटरनेशनल फुटबॉलर संन्यास जिन्होंने अभी लिया है, और CSK लॉन्चेस CSK एकेडमी एट सिडनी। सो CSK लॉन्चेस CSK एकेडमी इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया सिडनी। फीमेल एशिया कप T20 started in Sri Lanka. Question number 13. India Mobile Congress theme 2024. So India Mobile Congress theme 2024 is the future is now. 14. COP29. So where will be the COP29 meeting will be held? So the top COP29 conference of Party 29 meeting will be held in Baku, Azerbaijan. And what is the full form of UNFCCC? So the full form of UNFCCC is United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, and the headquarter of UNFCCC is Bonn, Germany. And what is the main agenda of COP29 conference? So the main agenda of COP29 conference party is reducing temperature 1.5 degree in the world by stopping all climate resistance pollution. Question number 15. Which organization published the Planet on the Move report? So the organization who published the Planet on the Move report is International Union for Conservation of Nature. So this was the top 15 question of the day, and I will request you कि आप रिवाइज करें, पढ़ें, and this will help you in coming examination. Thank you so much. Have a good day.